What are these white specks on my crepe myrtles leaves? And this is Lou. So, Joe, what do you think that is?
Well, you know, it looks like it could be aphids because aphids are notorious for being on crepe myrtles and causing it to be the leaves to be sticky because they're kind of shiny. It could be a little bit of a scale too, but most likely really aphids. What I'm wondering is why aphids are on it to begin with. And I'm thinking air circulation, maybe lack of air circulation. And I want to know if the crepe myrtle it blooms where it's located. I'd like to see, you know, the crepe myrtle either thinned or something. Does a crepe myrtle bloom? But it looks, aphids are a sign of stress. And so I'm trying to think crepe myrtles like full sun, and I'm wondering if, and good airflow, and I'm wondering if that's lacking in some of the area. Now you can treat it, aphids are easy to treat. Insecticidal soaps or neem oil, or even sometimes just washing them off. But easy, but I think there's a different problem that's causing the aphids, and that's what I think he needs to look at and address.
All right, go along with that. Sometimes aphid numbers can build up to a certain point where a natural disease will come in and take them out too. So I don't know whether you've reached your, what's not your economic threshold, it's just your aesthetic threshold. When you reach your aesthetic threshold, you know, give it enough time to allow beneficials to come in and maybe take them out, or you know, a natural disease to come in and take them out. But you know, then once you reach the point where you can't stand it anymore because it looks bad and you're getting a lot of sooty mold on the honeydew that they're secreting, then you need to do something then. And you may never reach that point.
Right. Right.
True.
But you're right. It's got to be stress.
It's stress of some kind.
Some type of stress, because there seems to be an aphid species for every plant species these days.
Yes, and all different colors.
Yes, that's for sure. So,
but those little white structures, we need to mention, those are the exoskeletons. The aphids are molting and they're going through different life stages, and that's why you see so many of the little bitty, funny-looking white structures on the leaf.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.